Hey guys, it's Vanessa Lee here, and today we'll be viewing a elegantly designed vintage home and an apartment complex that is located in Stony Hill and built on a half acre of land. The home has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a 9-unit, 10 bedrooms, 10 bathroom apartment complex. The market value for this property is 153 million Jamaican dollars. For more information, please view in the description below or stay tuned and view this lovely property with me. Before I go, I'd like to thank the listed broker Milling Jamaican Real Estate Limited for allowing us to view this property. Let's get started. From the road level, we have full-size metal gates with patterned concrete steps leading from the pedestrian entrance. The lawn has a wide assortment of pottery, a diamond patterned wooden trellis, and a lovely view of the white French windows. As we approach the main entrance to the home, there is a decent sized foyer with garden chairs. This cascades into a lovely sized easy room that comfortably seats 8. To my right, we have the mezzanine that houses the living and dining room that is naturally lit. As we exit the living and dining room, we will be viewing the first of 3 bedrooms. The first room is the master bedroom. Please take note of the high ceilings and also the sleeping area. To my right, you have the traditional bathroom. And to my left, you have the jacuzzi room. There is a his and her walk-in closet area, and also behind this area you have an extra storage space. Straight ahead, the room has its own private patio area. Looks quite comfortable, doesn't it? Let's head to the other two rooms. Here we have the two additional rooms, one on my right and one on my left, with a shared bathroom. This room is the smallest of the three. It has its own closet space, bed area, and a shared wraparound porch. As we enter the third bedroom, it has its own built-in closet, a large bedding area, and a shared access to the wraparound porch. Each bedroom has its own ceiling fan and has its own AC unit. Now we head into the kitchen area. As we enter the kitchen, you can see that it's naturally lit by the high roof windows. In the center, we have a large breakfast island that comfortably seats 6. It is finished off with a granite countertop and which runs through the whole design. It is complemented by the wonderful wooden cabinets. Straight ahead, we have the pantry. And inside is where you would store your groceries. We have more storage area at the top, which is accessed by a ladder. So back here, we have the butler's kitchen, which also doubles as an indoor laundry area. Leaving the kitchen, we have our external washing area where we can hang our clothes. We'll now make our way towards the library area. We have an office space that has its own bathroom. So now we are in the lounge area. We have the accent walls that complement this space, and a serving area where we can get lunch, snacks, dinner, beverages, all you want. Now this room boasts a fireplace. For all of those chilly nights, this will be good to stay by. 3-car parking platform. That doubles as an entertainment area and houses a bar area and a barbecue and grill area. The barbecue and grill area has a double sink, a prep zone, and ample storage spacing. The roof deck can be used for additional space for further entertaining. Garden bridge carry us over to the well-kept immaculate lawns with flowering plants and fruity trees. The greenhouse and the kennels. Right, we have the 4,800 square feet 9-unit apartment complex which has 10 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms. Unfortunately, we are unable to show you the inside of these apartments because they are fully occupied. This is an amazing property that allows the buyer to earn additional income from the included adjacent apartment complex. Thank you for taking a tour with me today. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you later.